On this video, I'm going to show you how to create community on your Messenger app. Now, go over to your Messenger app and then have the application open. Now, to create a community, notice where it says menu on the bottom right, click on that. Now, from here, you are going to see where it says community. Now, click on the community. Now, if you do not have any community here, it's going to be blank, but on my case, I have one. So click on this plus icon and you can see an introduction to community. Now, to create a community, click on get started. But if you want to read more information, you can swipe left to actually read more information. You notice it says it can actually bring 5,000 people online. Now, click on get started if you are ready. Now, what your community is all about, go ahead and select that. Click on continue when you're done. Next, you can upload an image by clicking on this update image. You can click on this and you can either take an image or you choose an image from your gallery, or you can also generate an image. Now, give it a community name. I am going to say and then you can add a description that you want. When you're done, you can scroll down and you can actually make this approval request to join. Now, require approval to join. This means if anybody wants to join, they will actually need your approval in order for them to join. So if you leave this on default, people can actually join, making use just whenever they discover your whenever they discover your community, they can join. Now, click on review. And then you can actually set this up, or rather select all of these if you want all these to be available. But if not, you can actually deselect them if you do not need them. Now, if you are done, click on create community. Now your community is going to be created and every activity can actually happen right here. This is the link. You can actually copy this link and give it to everybody or anyone else to join. Or you can also click on this area to add people manually. People that you know, add them manually, and you are good to go. Click on send when you are done, and then they are going to be invited to join your community. So you notice the invite, it is being sent, and when they see it, they can approve or disapprove. So guys, this is actually how you create your community. And whenever you want to see your community, it is going to be right here. And if you do not see it there, click on the menu, go over to community, and you will see your community right here. This is your community. So click on the main chart to actually see the main chart. Navigate back. You can click on the leadership team to see your leadership team. And also, if you want to actually manage the community, click on this area, and then you can actually add, do more setting, add more members right from this area by clicking on invite, and then you are going to be able to invite any of your friends on this list, or you can actually search for their name right on this search box. Now, if you're done, you click on send. Now, you can actually make people an admin in the group. Click on admin and moderator. You currently see I do not have anyone as admin and moderator. I can click on this person and then I will invite them as an admin. So you can click on invite as an admin and then you send an invite. You can also click on this next person. Okay, I think this person have not selected. Also pending. You can also invite as a moderator right here, or you can just remove from the community or ban. And then let me go ahead and navigate again. Every other settings you want, you can find right here. If you decide to leave the community, you can do that right here. You can also chat suggest by clicking on this area to do even more. And that, guys, is actually what I want to show you. If there is any other thing, you can actually add them here. You can also create more chats. Everyone only admin, and then you name the chat whatever you want to name it. But I think I'm actually okay with this because this is everything I want to teach you. If you have any question regarding community, leave it on the comment section. I am going to answer it. And for further question, leave it on the comment section. If I cannot answer them, I will find a way to actually assist you. So thank you for watching the video. I hope it's helpful. See you on the next one. Peace.